Western Australia. The Great Depression had left farmers in despair, and to make matters worse, nearly 20,000 emus descended on farmlands like feathered locusts. These were not ordinary birds. Each stood over 6 feet tall, weighing up to 45 kilograms, with legs capable of outrunning most farm hands. To the desperate farmers, the emus were not wildlife. They were an invading army, pillaging wheat crops, tearing down fences, and causing chaos. With their livelihoods at stake, farmers pleaded for help. And in a move that future historians still struggle to say with a straight face, the Australian government answered. The government dispatched a small military force to the wheat fields.